Dave here from Big Jeepers Garage. Today we're going to find out why my Jeep won't start. Just to show you what I woke up to this week. Not cool. So we're going to check the battery, see if that's the problem. Okay, so we're going to come over here. We're going to do the battery voltage. Ah! Yep. 11 volts, that's not going to turn her over. I think we're done. It's going to be time to replace that. Alright, let's get this battery. Use 10mm socket. Careful with the safety glasses. You're working with the battery is very important. I think I made a mistake right there. Shouldn't be starting with the positive battery terminal. Start with the negative so you're not shorting it out on the chassis. Holding her in, we have this little 10mm bolt down here, holding the block in place for the battery. Quite a good start. There it is. As soon as I troubleshot this earlier, I went ahead and ordered an Odyssey Extreme Duty battery because of my winch and all my accessories. Oh look, directions. That's pretty. does that compare to the original battery? Geez, there's a lot of room in here. My fat hand still won't go down in there. You're going to be running a stock battery that's old. This Jeep's already 5 years old, and I've got a winch, got auxiliary lights, I've got an aftermarket horn. It's a little loud. It's all electric, and putting a lot of draw on a battery that's a lot older, and it's just going to kill it. I used it at Phantom Fest once or twice. Once without running, which was a big mistake. You do that, and next thing you know, you're going to be in the boat I'm in. It's not going to start. Do the proper job. Oh, there it goes. I don't like these terminals at all. Look at these roofs. I guess we're going to have to upgrade those next. Oh, yeah, you're supposed to peel this back to get it off. We are definitely upgrading these. Alright. Good. That was quick. Now let's find out if she starts. Alright, that does it for the very first edition of Big Jeepers Garage. Simple battery swap. Fixed my starting problem. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, maybe a subscribe, all that fun YouTube crap. I really don't care about making any money from this. I just want my wife to look at something and say, hey, look, he's actually doing something with his time. Alright, have a good day.